Hey students, I've had several of you all email me saying that you can't get your files to upload to the discussion board, and typically that's because your files are very large. Um, Instead of having you all change the resolution on those files and save them down, what I'm going to have you do, at least this time, is to just go ahead and show you how to use something like a cloud server in order to upload those, and then you can share a link with me. So I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to do that, because most of all of you all have Creative Cloud, and you can just click on your Creative Cloud icon wherever yours may be located. Mine is, you can't see it in this screen, but it is over here on the top right hand corner of my monitor, and it looks like a knotted rope kind of, and I'm going to click on that, bring it over here, and you see that it comes up like that. And the icon, this icon right here, is the icon that you would see up in your options bar. Now I'm on a Mac, so you probably will see yours down below in your taskbar. Not exactly sure where you access your apps and stuff at, but I'm sure by now you're familiar with this window, and so however you access that window is fine. What we're going to look at is assets. So you're probably clicked on apps. Click on assets. That'll bring you files, fonts, and market. We want to go to files, and there is a folder on your desktop that all these files are stored in, and it is actually linked online to the cloud. And you can open that folder, and I will show you. Here's a large view of my folder. I don't use mine, as you can tell, very often at all. Only because I have other cloud servers that I use. I have OneDrive that we use here at school. I have Google Drive that I often use for photos. I also use SmugMug for photos. And I have Dropbox that I've used for years, and it's probably the one that I use the most. Okay, so I've got my folder open. Now what I want to do is whatever folder that I want to drop in there, I can, and I have a picture here of me and my family, and it's a PSD file. And so I just drop that in there. So now it's in my Creative Cloud files, and I can right click on that. And when that gets uploaded, it's not quite uploaded yet, I will be able to share a link to that. As you can see on these other ones, I can go ahead and share the link. And it's going to open this window. Give it just a second here. Okay, and let's see, where am I? So where I go to, see, that should be to upload it. No, this is to share the link. Okay, so it looks like an upload icon, and you share it by clicking on that. And then here's your link, and you can just copy your link, and it's copied to your clipboard, which you don't, clipboard is actually a virtual thing. You don't really see it. Okay, and now you have this link, and you can just put that in your discussion board. You can just, right click and go to paste and put that in your discussion board, and that way everybody would be able to see your wonderful images, and without you having to struggle with Blackboard to get them up. Okay, now again, the other ones that you could use would be Dropbox, Google Drive. If you have a Google account, Google Drive does require you have a Google profile, but I have a Gmail account as well, so I already have that. And if you don't have one, it's real easy to set up, and I recommend everybody having a Google profile. It's not mandatory though, okay? So don't start sending me emails saying, I don't want a Google profile. That's okay if you don't. I don't mind. But if you want to use the drive space that they offer for free, it's a wonderful feature. And let's see, what else? OneDrive. You do have space with your school account, with your school email account through Office 365. It's called OneDrive. And I think most of y'all probably already received information on that when you started school. Maybe, hopefully, that you did, telling you how to use that. And if not, just use the space that you have with Creative Cloud, because it's free and it's just sitting there waiting to be used as well. I don't think I get any more space than what you all do. I'm not sure, so I don't want to say I do. But mine says that I have 100 gigs, so you probably get 100 gigs too. Maybe, maybe not. I'm kind of on a team site, so I might get a little more. I'm not really sure. Okay, I hope this video helps you. If not, if you still have problems, just let me know and I'll be happy to clarify anything or redirect you. Thanks so much.